I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the time in your Audi A4 B8. First, ensure your car's ignition is on or in accessory mode and the radio is powered up. This provides access to the MMI system. Next, locate the MMI control panel, typically found in your center console. This interface is crucial for navigating through the settings to adjust your vehicle's clock. It's a straightforward process once you know where to look. To begin, press the Setup button, usually located in the lower right corner of your MMI interface. This action will bring up the main settings menu on your display. From there, use the upper left control button to select the time/date option. You'll see time become highlighted on the screen, indicating you're in the correct menu to make adjustments. This step is key to accessing the clock settings. Now that time is highlighted, press the MMI control knob to select it. You can then rotate the control knob to adjust the hour to your desired setting. Once the correct hour is displayed, press the control knob again to confirm your selection. This will then highlight the minutes, allowing you to rotate the knob once more to set the precise minutes. Press the knob one final time to confirm the minutes and finalize your time adjustment. After setting both the hours and minutes, press the Return button, typically located immediately below the control knob, to exit the settings menu. Your Audi A4 B8's clock is now updated and accurately reflects the current time. It's a simple adjustment that keeps your vehicle's display correct. And speaking of smart upgrades, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.